it's okay if I can give you. You like chicken pit? Wow. What about you, oh my god? One challenge? Chicken pit. $5. Huh? Come on. I'll pay you $5. Huh? Pabayaran natin siya. Pakakainin natin siya ng paano.
Oh guys, to kumakain ba kayo ng paa ng manok? Chicken pit. Paborito to ni Supuriman. Gusto rin niyang kumain eh.
Daddy said if I eat each chicken finger, I get $5.
Oh, $5. You have to pay for it. Mga kano. Tantay no kaya na. Dubing kaya na kanang guys. Nagimas pinangan nan Joe. Nagimas ng George. Sakat yung manok. Wow. Ito lang ang Canadian boy na kumakain ng paa ng manok. Ilocano ti nanay na kaking tatay na. Nararawad ang mula sa kamanok. Yan, nanay nata, narawad mo na sa kamanok. Mga kamuta? Ha? Why not? Your boy eating one. You can eat two. Naimas ti si Dain Taneo. Beef gailan. Wow, gimas eh. Gimas pinangan na ni Big Boyan. Sa Iman.
You okay with what?
Daddy doesn't give me $5 because I love.
So it's okay if I will give you. You like chicken pit? Wow. What about you? Oh my god. You want challenge?
No.
Chicken pit. $5. Huh? Come on. I'll pay you $5. Huh?
No.
Babayaran natin siya. Pakakainin natin siya ng panang manok. Ano niyo?
I'm not taking that one.
Eat this one. Eat this one. Eat this one.
Why?
Pangduwanan, Joe.
Why? It's cold. What?
Right na nga talaga. So you eat two, so no more $5, right? Yes?
No, you said $5 each chicken.
So $10 now. Wow, nagngina chicken pintan. 2 nga piraso, $10. Mga laan. Pero maganda yan kasi kwan yan.
Yep.
Rich in, what is that? Huh? Vitamins? You got vitamins on there? The chicken? I think so. I heard that in Facebook. Makamula chicken pita dyan eh. Kaya namadaan ko nagtumay. Kaysa kami ka, no? $5 for chicken pit. Imagine if you eat 4, you have 20. Huh?
How about tomorrow?
No, it's gonna be empty today.
Well, when you eat 10, you have $50 already.
Yeah, 10.
There's not even 10 on the plate.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. There's 7 more. If you want.
How much is that?
She will eat. She like it, Iman. Yeah. Ang kaduwa ni Siren. Kaya na chicken pit. Basta ano na ipakan ko kanina. Matigpil-pili. Ori pa ka nagkokra kaya na mula. Parya natin madinamakan. Hindi na pinasabukan parya eh. Come on, $5.
Show the $5.
I'll give my card. Hmm.
Show the $5.
I will give my card to her tomorrow. Huh?
Anong card?
The credit card or the debit card.
Debit.
You can buy what you want. How's that? Makaya yata yun. No. No.